Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Miro and Kanon. Miro is a leading online whiteboard, celebrated for its infinite canvas and versatile tools, perfect for dynamic brainstorming and complex project mapping. Kanon, on the other hand, often provides more structured visual collaboration, frequently embedded within broader business applications. We'll explore their distinct approaches to teamwork, helping you decide which platform aligns best with your organizational goals and collaborative preferences. Miro offers an expansive, infinite canvas, providing unparalleled freedom for visual thinking. It boasts a library of over 5,000 templates, from brainstorming to agile planning, supporting diverse activities like mind mapping and diagramming. Kanon, conversely, tends to offer a more structured visual experience. Its features are often tailored for specific business workflows, providing guided templates and integrated data visualization, which can be beneficial for focused tasks. Miro shines in real-time collaboration, allowing dozens of users to work simultaneously on a single board, fostering dynamic interaction. It integrates seamlessly with popular communication and project management tools, enhancing workflow efficiency. Kanon's collaboration is often more embedded within its core application, supporting team interactions for specific tasks like document review or process approvals. Its integrations usually focus on streamlining internal business operations. Miro provides a flexible pricing model, including a free tier for up to 3 editable boards, with paid plans beginning at $8 per user per month when billed annually. It's perfect for creative teams, design thinking, and agile development. Kanon's pricing is often part of a larger software package, catering to businesses needing integrated solutions. It is best suited for organizations requiring structured visual aids for specific processes, like contract management or sales presentations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.